In today's video, I'll be showing you how to order a new Cash App card. This process is actually very simple, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. The first thing we want to do is open up Cash App, and it should look similar to what's on screen now. From there, we want to go to this second option at the bottom, which will actually take you to the card section. From there, you'll be able to see your cash card, as well as other useful information such as the boost and all this stuff at the bottom. In order to actually order a new Cash App card, we're going to have to scroll down to the very bottom of this page. Once you've done that, you'll see this option at the very bottom, which will say design a new card. And this is how we can order our new Cash App card. So when you click on that, you'll be able to choose a style, and they will actually give you a few different options. You'll have a glow in the dark option, you'll have a black option, a white option. However, there are also some other options such as metal cards. So you really want to choose whichever card you want. And from there, you'll be able to customize it, and you can add stuff like this onto your card if that's something you want to do. So simply choose whichever one you like best, and from there you'll then have the option to personalize it if that's something you want to do. So it'll tell you about the card and how much it costs, as well as a bit of information. But down here there's a button that says edit personalization, and if you click on that, you'll actually be able to add emojis and other types of artwork to it, and you can basically customize it to get it looking exactly how you like. Now once you have finished customizing it and you're happy with how it looks, you can simply go down to the bottom and click this order card button. And from there, we can see some details about our cash card. So we can see useful information such as the monthly fee, the cost to add the card, stuff like that. And we'll also be able to see how much the card is going to cost us. But it should only be something around $5 if you just chose a standard plastic card. So from there, you can go ahead and click continue, and you'll be taken to the payment page where you can simply pay for your card. You'll also have to choose where you want the card shipped to, but of course you can just choose your address. Once you've done that and paid for it, you will have successfully ordered your card. So from there, you just have to wait for your card to be shipped, and you can find that out by going back to that cash card page and looking for this writing here that will say cash card shipped. And when it does say that, you'll be able to click on it, and you can now see this tab at the bottom. So you can see these toggle switches up here, but you will actually have to activate it in order to use this cash card. So you simply want to choose activate cash card, and then you can follow the instructions on screen to actually finalize activating your cash card. Then when your cash card finally arrives at your house, you can simply start using it straight away, just like you would with any other card. So that's exactly how you can order a new Cash App card. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say I helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.